Samara wants to design a birthday card for her friend. What are the steps she should follow to create the one shown here? First of all, to open Drawing for Children, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then click All Programs. In the list that appears, click the Drawing for Children folder and then the Drawing for Children software. You will now see the opening screen of Drawing for Children. Now, to apply the background of the card, first click the Draw Backgrounds tool. Then search for the background you want in the list on the left by clicking the pointing hand symbol. When you find the background you want, namely the red one here, click to select it. Good job! Now, to write Happy Birthday, follow these steps. Click the Draw Text tool button. Then click the Font button to the left. This will make the Font dialog box appear. Select the font A.R. Carter, that is A.R.C.A.R.T.E.R. if you see it in the list. Otherwise, you can select any font of your choice. Let's select the font as Arial. Choose the font style Bold Oblique or Bold Italic and then select 72 in the font size list. Finally, select the color Yellow in the color menu and then click OK. The font dialog box will disappear. Now, click in the drawing area and type Happy Birthday. That's HAPPYBIRTHDAY. To draw the glitter around Happy Birthday, click the Sketch Lines button and then select the color pencil icon. In the drawing area, click and drag in short steps to create the glitter. Before we move on, answer this question. How many colors do you see in the color box on the left? Oh, let's now draw the border on the card. Begin by clicking the Draw Stamps tool and select the Flowers collection. Now, on the left, click the pointing hand symbol till the set of 2 yellow flowers appears in the list below. Click to select. Next, press the Shift key and click many times in a straight line at the margins of the drawing area to create the border. Keeping the Shift key pressed will give you a larger image. Now, to add balloons and gift boxes to the card, follow these steps. Click on the Draw Stamps tool and select the Gifts collection. You will notice that in the list on the left-hand side, balloons and gift boxes appear. First, select the balloons to place them on the picture. Keep the Shift key pressed and click many times in the drawing area to add the balloons to the picture. Now, select the first gift box in the list on the left, keeping the Shift key pressed. Click in the drawing area to place the gift boxes. That was super, children! Your beautiful greeting card is ready.